Hello everyone, I'm Frank. I have the great honor to present you our project. We built a Cross Chain DAO, and here you can see our application. We built it with Metamask Snap. So first we installed a Snap. So we connected, and now we are connected and installed our Snap. So now we want to create a vote. The question is now, should we buy a new desk? So let's create a vote and let the community decide if we want to vote on that. We have to confirm it, and then we have to wait a little bit. So the transaction is pending. The biggest issue that we are solving with the Cross Chain DAO is like DAOs currently living only on one blockchain. And we think that in the future we have multiple chains, and for that we need a necessity to have every person from every ecosystem to able to participate in a decentralized autonomous organization. Here you can see our notification. He basically received, hey, there's a new proposal going on. So this is really nice. Now we wait a little bit. Here we go. Should we buy a new desk? And now if we refresh our dApp, then here we can submit our vote. And yes, we are agreeing that we should buy a new desk. So one vote is submitted. Will be submitted. And whenever there's a new vote created, then it gets sent to all the other people who installed the Snap. And with the Snap it's possible to listen to it, and just whenever the vote builder creates something, send a notification to everyone, hey, there's a new vote going on, please look at it. Way! Count +1. Now we are going to the smart contract side, a little bit of explanation. On the top right corner you can see me, who is happily clicking his buttons. I have this little CLI tool. It deploys the contract, I send some link. And now I want to show is basically that I increase the vote. We are, on the right side is the Chainlink Explorer, like the Chainlink Cross Chain Explorer. And there you see two numbers, one is 0, the other one is 0. And if I now stepping a little bit through, then you can see I increased it by 1 and I increased it by 1 live on the transaction hash, which I just copied in, put it in there. Ooh, now I get really excited. One moment, now the new one. And so you can see in the binary, it's 1. And now you can see me happily enjoying it. Hooray! Took a long time. Thank you very much for your attention.